ready to go, cause now the countdown has started and he's ready to blow. He's got the dope sounds bumping and it's stereo. Yo, fast, putting on a show. Don't wanna get yourself together, there's no time to rest. And if you put the time in, he'll put you to the test. He's like the running man in his world, more is less. And if you wanna test him best, bring your best. Don't make me spell it out, bring your best.
In this world where life is strong, in this world life's an open book. In this world where compromise does not exist, in his world of rules every step meets the rest. In this world where one is all, in this world never fear the fall. In this world where compromise does not exist, in his world of rules every step meets the rest.
Running it back again, well, what'd you expect? Coming up to win 10 out of 10. Got a real rough max, finds up his livery and straps on his shoes. Cause he's the best there ever was, haven't you heard the news? Intergalactic continental champ, running things, hyperactive, instrumental with pulling strings. He's the one who understands when the tides will swing, so he's breaking down doors, never fall away. Come on and psych yourself up, cause it's time to play. Bounce to the beats and the rhymes, cause they're here to stay. The one and only marathon man, ripping the day, rolling up, coming fast, and they'll blow you away. Because the pressures of this world, they can take their toll, and it's tough to get away when we take a hold. The only way to break free is to break the mold. We can't stop now, rock and roll. Don't stop now, come on, rock and roll.
In this world
Gotta make your own
where life is strong, in this world life's an open book. In this world compromise does not exist. His world of rules every step meets the rest. This world where one is all. In this world never fear the fall. In this world where compromise does not exist. His world of rules every step meets the rest.
Cause now the countdown has started and it's ready to blow. Intergalactic continental champ, running things, hyperactive, instrumental, and pulling strings.